What is the 3-minute rule for AC? Dear friends, have you ever heard of the 3-minute rule for air conditioners? It's a simple habit that can improve your AC's performance, reduce wear and tear, and even help lower electricity costs. The 3-minute rule means you should wait at least 3 minutes before turning your AC back on after switching it off. This short delay allows the refrigerant pressure inside the compressor to stabilize. If you restart the AC immediately, the compressor has to work against high pressure. This can increase strain on the motor, reduce efficiency, and, over time, shorten the life of your air conditioner. Most modern air conditioners have a built-in compressor protection delay. However, if your AC doesn't have this feature, following the 3-minute rule manually is a smart practice. This rule is especially useful after a power cut or if you accidentally switch the AC off and want to restart it right away. Just wait a few minutes before pressing the power button again. For the best cooling performance, also clean your air filters regularly, keep doors and windows closed while the AC is running, and set the temperature between 24 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius for a perfect balance of comfort and energy savings. A simple 3-minute wait can help protect your AC and keep it running efficiently for years. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.